This year might be the year that your YouTube channel might blow up. But the only issue here is that your well is a little bit dry. And that's why you are probably here. You might be thinking, what do I make a video about? What topic should I cover? How do I come up with content ideas for my YouTube videos when I cannot even figure out what videos to put out this week? If these are the questions that you find yourself asking every week, lucky for you, this video is just for you. Keep on watching as I reveal to you my secret hacks that I have been using to create tons and tons of content consistently without ever really getting into a content rut. Also, don't miss out on the 5th tip, because that's a bonus tip that I use, which will also help you make your content stand out from the rest. So let's go. Let's jump into first hack, and that is catering to your audience's demand. This point is very important, and let me tell you why. It's because we as creators never really know what our audience exactly wants. We might think, oh, okay, maybe my audience wants this, so I should make a video about it. But most of the time your audience would be wanting something entirely different from what you thought. So it becomes extremely important to find out what your audience is searching for on the internet in the first place. And the quickest way to do that is to check the comment sections of YouTube videos of your niche. Let's say, for example, that you are a nutritionist and you make YouTube videos around nutrition and diet, and currently you are running out of ideas for your channel. All you gotta do is go on YouTube and search anything related to nutrition, let's say keto diet, and click on any video that you think is relevant. Go to the comment section and see what people are saying. Once you look at those comments, try to frame a video title from it, just like this. And there you go, 3 comments and 3 video ideas just from one YouTube video. That's how simple it is. The second hack for you to keep getting countless YouTube ideas is researching your competitor. This one is pretty simple actually, but before moving forward, I would suggest you to download the vidIQ extension. Don't worry, you don't have to buy the premium version to follow along. Just download the vidIQ and we are good to go. Now let's understand what to do once you have downloaded the extension. Let's say, for example, you are a fitness trainer and you post videos on YouTube about fitness and gym workouts. What you got to do is go to the YouTube channel of any of your competitors, go to the video section and take a close look at the VPH of each videos. Videos with low VPH might be topics that people might not be that interested in. On the other hand, if you look at this particular video, it has a very high VPH, which means that the audience searches for videos on such topics or like to watch this video a lot when it is recommended to them. Also, a smaller hack here is not to watch those videos before you create your own piece of content, because it might interfere with the way you are gonna script your videos. Has happened to me a lot of times. So don't make the mistake of watching that video to get ideas for your own. Instead, try to bring in your creativity in your videos, and that's it. Tons of topic for you to make content on. The third hack is to use Reddit to hunt for content ideas. Reddit is one of the most underutilized platforms that you can use to find content ideas, solely because here people ask direct question, which gives you direct customer insights on what people are actually talking about in real time. Let me take you to my screen and walk you through my process of using Reddit to find content ideas for YouTube. Let's say you have a YouTube channel which talks about digital marketing. What you have to do is type digital marketing here. Click on any of the subreddit that you like. Next, filter the subreddit you are on by the popular posts over time. Then set a time range like today, last week, last month, or last year, or even all time. I mostly look out for the most popular post in the last week or month, which gives me the idea of things people actually want to know about, factoring in recency. So one simple trick here is to look out for subreddits that are relevant to your niche, and one of the easiest ways to do it is to jump on Google and type Reddit plus your niche. If you are a Facebook ad specialist, it would be Reddit plus Facebook ads, and this would show you multiple subreddits which you can check out for your content ideas. Also, speaking of Facebook ads, I have a very detailed Facebook ad course for you to help learn Facebook ads from the scratch. You can click here on the I button or click on the link in the description and you will be redirected straight to the playlist. The fourth hack that I have for you is to look at learning forums. Learning forums like Udemy or Coursera or Skillshare have tons of courses related to any niche. They provide in-depth knowledge on any given topic, and trust me, it is a gold mine for creators like you. What you have to do is go to any forum. Let's go to Udemy, for example. Type your niche and take a look at the courses that pop up on your screen. Go to any of the courses which you find relevant and take a look at the content of each course. Each course would give you 5 to 6 content ideas related to your niche on which you can make your videos. This trick is so simple that it can even be used with the books that you read that are related to your niche. Now the fifth hack, and which is the bonus hack that I have for you, is probably the most effective way to make sure that your content is on point, and that is to integrate your USP in your videos. We all know how important it is to create irreplaceable content. No matter how well researched your video is, if the content is available on the internet, chances are your video can be replaced by anyone. But this is never the case with the videos that have a personal touch to it. Personal touch includes anything and everything that is personal to you. Personal. Think about it in this way. If your videos include your viewpoints regarding a certain topic, there is no way someone could replace that. And people love it. People want to know what everyone's viewpoints are regarding any topic. That's why it is so important for you to be creative in your videos, even if it means making video on old topics. And that's it. 5 simple but effective hacks for you to create endless content each day for your YouTube channel. Use these simple hacks and don't forget to comment down the hacks that you liked and let me know if it helped you in the comment section below, obviously. Also, don't forget to check out the description box, which will take you to my free Facebook ad course for beginners. Until next time, bye-bye.